Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on predictive maintenance, or PDM, a cutting-edge strategy that's redefining how we approach equipment upkeep. We'll walk you through its history, how it works, and even give you a practical, real-world example. Stick around to see how predictive maintenance could save you from unexpected equipment failure and keep your operations running smoothly. Now let's get started. We're diving into the world of predictive maintenance. This is a type of condition-based maintenance that uses sensor devices to monitor the condition of assets in real time. The data these sensors provide is then used to predict when the asset will need maintenance, helping to prevent equipment failure. Predictive maintenance is currently the most advanced type of maintenance available. With time-based maintenance, there's always the risk of performing too much maintenance or not enough. Reactive maintenance, on the other hand, is performed when needed, but often results in unscheduled downtime. Predictive maintenance solves these issues by scheduling maintenance only when specific conditions are met and before the asset breaks down. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Organizations started using predictive maintenance tools around the start of the 21st century. Initially, they used a periodic or offline approach to monitor asset conditions. But today, a continuous or online approach is used. Remote monitoring is also possible by connecting an Internet of Things or IoT sensor device to maintenance software. When specific conditions are met, a work order for an inspection is triggered. Now let's look at the different types of predictive maintenance. First up, we have vibration analysis. This is the go-to type for manufacturing plants with high rotating machinery. It's cost-effective and can detect looseness, imbalance, misalignment, and bearing wear. Next is acoustic analysis, which comes in two flavors, sonic and ultrasonic. Sonic acoustic analysis requires less money to implement and is used for low and high rotating machinery. Ultrasonic acoustic analysis, on the other hand, is used for predictive maintenance efforts. It can identify sounds related to machine friction and stress in the ultrasonic range and is used for both mechanical and electrical equipment. Then we have infrared analysis, which is not dependent on an asset's rotational speed or loudness, making it suitable for many different types of assets. When temperature is a good indicator of potential issues, infrared analysis is the most cost-effective tool for predictive maintenance. So, how does predictive maintenance work? The first step is establishing baselines. You need to monitor an asset's conditional baseline and collect data before installing sensors. That way, when you begin to collect conditional data, there is a control to compare any abnormalities to. From there, it's simple. Anytime a piece of equipment performs outside of normal parameters, the sensors trigger your predictive maintenance protocol. Implementing predictive maintenance involves a few steps. First, you establish baselines for the assets that will have sensors. Then, you install the relevant IoT devices to the asset. Next, you connect the IoT device to a CMMS or remote dashboard where data is collected and analyzed. Finally, inspections are automatically triggered by a CMMS when the condition limit is exceeded. Let's look at a real-world example. A centrifugal pump motor in a coal preparation plant is a vital asset for day-to-day operations. To prevent unscheduled downtime, the maintenance team decides to use predictive maintenance technology. They attach a vibration meter close to the pump's inner bearing and establish a normal baseline measurement. A few months later, the vibration meter identifies a spike in acceleration. The maintenance team reviews this new data remotely and schedules an inspection. The technician who performs the inspection finds a loose ball bearing and repairs it. Predictive maintenance has many benefits. It can increase asset uptime by 30% and reduce unexpected failures by 55%. It can streamline maintenance costs through reduced labor, equipment, and inventory costs. It can also improve safety. According to a paper by the U.S. Department of Energy, a well-orchestrated predictive maintenance program will almost eliminate catastrophic equipment failures. Compared to a preventive maintenance program, cost savings are 8 to 12% higher. And compared to a reactive maintenance program, cost savings range from 30 to 40%. Predictive maintenance might not be for every organization, especially those that have yet to implement planned maintenance activities. But for larger organizations that have outgrown traditional PMs and have additional budget, predictive maintenance can provide a return on investment that turns the maintenance department into a source of cost savings and higher profits. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the concept of predictive maintenance, its types, how it works, and its benefits. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of maintenance and operations. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.